95% of your thoughts today are the same as yesterday. What if I told you, your money struggles aren't about your skills, your job, or even your bank account? They're about something far more powerful, something running silently in the background of your mind, like an invisible algorithm shaping every financial choice you make. But today, we cut those strings. This is your wake-up call. This is how you rewrite your money story. Before wealth can manifest, there must be awareness. Ask yourself, why do I keep repeating the same financial patterns? Why does success feel out of reach, no matter how hard I work? These aren't just thoughts. They're subconscious programs, downloaded from your family, culture, and past pain. And they control you, until you bring them into the light. Your brain didn't betray you, it tried to protect you. But here's the truth. You are not your past. You are your patterns, until you choose otherwise. How do you know if hidden scripts are running your financial life? Look for these clues. You avoid checking your bank account. You undercharge or feel guilty charging what you're worth. Every time you get ahead, you self-sabotage. No matter how much you earn, it never feels like enough. This isn't a flaw, it's a survival mechanism. But here's the breakthrough. You can't out-earn a scarcity mindset. Lottery winners go broke. Celebrities file for bankruptcy, because money doesn't fix your money story. Only awareness can. Your patterns lose power when you name them. Is yours impulse Ivan? Self-sabotage Sally? Humor disarms shame. Track when it shows up. Stress, boredom, then pause. That space, that's where choice lives. Challenge your money story like a lawyer. Is I'm bad with money really true? Find counterproof. That time you saved $500, that budget you stuck to for a month. Your brain focuses on failures. It's time to collect new evidence. Repetition rewires your brain. Speak these daily, even if they feel like a lie at first. I am not my past. I am my potential. Wealth is safe and natural for me. I trust myself with money. You were never stuck. You were just following old scripts. But today, you become the author. The next chapter starts now. Your move. Comment below. Which money story will you rewrite first?